Artificial intelligence is no longer just helping employees work faster, but it is also redesigning workflows. At this corporation, early stages such as ideation and design, which once required 2 to 3 weeks, can now be completed in just 2 to 3 days. With AI supporting their operations, the efficiency of AI-related products development increased by 80%. Yet, rather than reducing their workforce, the company continued to grow. In fact, its headcount has risen by nearly 50% compared to 2 years ago.
Our goal is to develop a platform that enables our customers to build their own AI agent workforce. Ultimately, we want to help them evolve towards autonomous business operations.
At another corporation, software delivery has been redesigned around collaboration between engineers and AI. Today, more than 30,000 engineers here work as AI-augmented engineers, supported by over 2,000 AI data engineers trained at leading Vietnamese universities.
Human will focus to judgment, creativity, accountability, and customer understanding. And AI will handle repetitive execution, analysis, documentation, testing, and workflow automation.
Experts believe these changes are only the beginning. As AI becomes more capable, it is expected to redefine productivity across virtually every industry.
In my view, AI will drive a productivity revolution even greater than the Internet. If the Internet was like a network of highways that enabled information to move faster, AI gives every individual a team of assistants working around the clock.
Experts estimate that AI could contribute between 15 trillion and 20 trillion US dollars to the global economy each year over the next decade, making it one of the most significant drivers of productivity growth in modern history.